Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard and these are short video snippets designed to answer questions, usually designed to answer questions you may have about estate planning or probate. But for this week, I thought it'd be appropriate, since we are at the end of the year already, just about, to just take a slight departure from the educational aspect of these videos and just say a big thank you. Thank you to all of you who take the time to watch these videos. Thank you to all of you who are clients, present and past and future. Speaking of which, thanks to all of you who have called in or emailed in as potential clients, maybe just with questions or clarifications on some legal matter you've been dealing with on your own. Thank you to all of you who have referred clients and potential clients to me. I couldn't really do business without you, and I've been very fortunate and blessed to have stayed busy all year, primarily from just referral sources. So I really do appreciate your trust in me and my firm in sending people my way. And thanks to all of you others out there who didn't fall into any one of those categories, but I guess you do if you're watching this, because I thanked you first. So I just want to say thank you again. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas to all who celebrate, and just make sure you take time to hug on a loved one during this holiday season, because tomorrow's not promised, next week's not promised, next year's not promised. And so we need to take advantage of the opportunities that we have in front of us. So with that said, as always, I thank you for watching, and stay tuned for next year for some good stuff coming down the pike. I look forward to sharing that with you. Until then.